Hello everyone, welcome to the TeenAWS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Google Chrome sound not working or audio not working problem. So before I start the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So if you're facing Google Chrome sound not working problem, simply just watch complete video and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. So to fix this problem, first of all just open settings and then go to apps and just watch complete video and follow every single step. After following all these steps, just restart your mobile and hope so your error is fixed. So just don't forget to subscribe and also like the video. Thank you for watching.